In this video, you'll learn how to buy and sell coins on eBay effectively. This guide explains the steps necessary to navigate the platform while ensuring you make informed decisions during your transactions. Begin by researching the value and authenticity of the coins you wish to buy or sell. Visit eBay and search for completed listings to get a sense of current market prices. This information is crucial as it helps you understand the going rate for various coins. Familiarize yourself with grading standards, which indicate the condition of a coin. Terms such as mint condition or circulated status are important to understand. If you are dealing with rare or collectible coins, consider verifying authenticity through professional grading services. This knowledge is essential to protect yourself from scams and ensure you do not undervalue your items. Next, when you are ready to sell coins, create detailed listings that attract potential buyers. Start by taking high-resolution photos that clearly show both sides of each coin. Include close-up shots of any mint marks and details about the condition. Accurate descriptions are important. Provide information such as the year of the coin, its metal type, and grading details. This transparency builds credibility and trust with collectors. Set a competitive price based on your earlier research. Pricing your coins according to market demand will help in making sales. Keep in mind that honest listings can significantly reduce the chances of disputes and returns, which can affect your seller rating. Once your coins are sold, focus on secure packaging and shipping. Use protective coin holders or sleeves to prevent any scratches during transit. Package the coins in padded envelopes or small boxes to ensure they are not damaged. Always include tracking and insurance for valuable items to provide peace of mind for both you and the buyer. Prompt shipping is essential as it can improve your seller ratings and build buyer trust. Keep records of your shipment details for security and reference. Proper handling and attention to detail during shipping ensure that your coins arrive safely at their destination. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.